Hey guys, this is Ashan Singh and today I have brought a new video of my channel TechnicalJashan in which we will learn it what is Adobe Photoshop and how is it useful and how can we create passport copies in Adobe Photoshop. So firstly we will learn that what is Adobe Photoshop. So Adobe Photoshop is a raster graphics editor developed and published by Adobe, and it's a very great editor of in which we can edit photos. So now we will see how can we create passport photos in Adobe Photoshop. So get started with my laptop's Photoshop at 7.0 screen. So we have opened Adobe Photoshop. So now we will click on file and then new and then A4 and then OK, and then drag it here and then click on file and then click on open, and then here we can select any photo like I am selecting this photo of this. Yeah, you can select any photo and click on open. After clicking on open, the photo will be open. Then now select this one, this move tool. You can also press V key from your um, keyboard to select this tool. Now click on now uh, bring the cursor on the image and then press alt from your keyboard and left click of your mouse and drag it to the white sheet. You can see that the image is created. Then you can again press alt and then left click and then drag it. You can select big high resolution image uh, to get its long, because when we move it to here it will automatically be small. So if you select a high resolution video, then it will be off, and then we will when um, drag it here, so it will be seen as big. Next, so now again alt and then left click of a mouse and then drag it here. So that's very great. And then if you want to save it, and so press control s from your keyboard, or you can also go to file and click on save as and then give it a name like copy. You can select any extension like I'm gonna save it in jpg. If you want to save it in any extension, you can select it here and click on save, and then here click on ok, and you can see that. And now we will see, you can see that the copy images saved. So that's very great idea, great step to that I have said you to create passport copies in uh, Adobe Photoshop 7.0. So guys, thanks for watching my video, and kindly like, share and subscribe, and share more and more so that I bring new videos.